Hi, my name is Avanti Amladi. So my association with Peak Alpha has been over 15 to 17 years now. I just came across Peak Alpha through a friend who's working with Peak Alpha even till date actually. And he just told me that he works for this finance company and they can help me in tax planning. And I was just starting off my career that time. I started off as a sales coordinator. I've always been in sales. And with the teeny weeny salary that I had, I just wanted to save my taxes, and that's how I started my savings with them. And I was introduced to so many new, jargons and words of financial planning, like investments and mutual funds and investments for future and things like that. And and then it became a routine, saving and putting in money on monthly basis and then planning finances. Post marriage also I involved my husband with the Peak Alpha thing, and we have a joint kind of account with Peak Alpha where they manage our finances, right from our investments for our day to day. We travel a lot, so we actually save up for our traveling and all that, and plus for our retirement. So that's something that Peak Alpha really guides us well into. Now that I'm associated with Peak Alpha, life has been much easier with my finances. Honestly, I'm not very good with managing my money. All I can probably manage is one bank account, where I do my daily transactions. So it's a lot of headache gone when some expert really tells you where to invest and tells you on a periodic basis of what is happening with your money. It seldom happens that maybe some mutual fund I've invested in and it doesn't really perform well. I wouldn't really have the bandwidth to go back and check how is it doing and then move it to something else. But then somebody like Peak Alpha is doing it for me. Wow, I mean it's so much nicer. I mean, all I have to do is probably just click a few buttons and so much headache gone. If I had to do all this on my own, I would have probably done the mundane stuff of actually putting it in, fixed deposits or my bank, stashed it up in my bank, or maybe some mutual funds that I would hear from my friends. But I would never know how my money is growing. The Peak Planner tool that Peak Alpha gives us is such a boon. I mean, all you have to do is just log in from your laptop and you know where your money is going. And that actually helps us to have a discussion with our advisor also whenever we have our financial planning meetings. The thing is, I am so comfortable with Peak Alpha, maybe with my association with them for the longest time, and also with the relationship I share with the advisors over here, the kind of follow-up mechanism they have. So I mean, even if I forget, I mean every quarter I get a call from people like, come for the whatever the follow-up meetings or review meetings that we have about our finance portfolio. So I kind of like it. I know that these people actually take care of me, and they know they are like my reminders. I mean, they remind me, and it's so much headache gone, when they are actually taking care of it. So I actually left it up to them, and it's been a great journey so far.